Here's Tommy. Hello, hope you're doing great. Today I'm on adventure, so I'm gonna be leaving you with another unboxing. So I hope you like it. Remember to hit like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell to get more content. Thanks for watching. I'll leave you with an unboxing. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Kickstarter product Lucy Cup. As you can see, it's a feminine cup. So let's open it up. It comes with two sizes. You have size A and size B. Let's take out this paper. Okay, a little bit of instructions on what to do, what not to do, how to place it, and everything. Okay. I'm showing it to you just so you can see the instructions for yourself. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna choose the A, just because. Let's open it up. Okay, let's peel this off. Okay, let's twist it open. Good. Seems we have a ribbon car outside. Okay, as you can see, the size, it says Lucy Cup on the side, and let's try it out, see how it works. So you can see, it just lets in the liquid. Let's see if it, hmm, okay, it's sealed. Yeah, it's not letting it out. Whatever's inside stayed inside. So, yeah, seems to work. Yeah, nothing coming out. Oh, if I push it a little bit, yeah, but I gotta squeeze it a bit so it comes out. Blood is thicker, so you shouldn't have any problem whatsoever with it. Let's squeeze it, and it comes out very easily. That's good. Let's try it again. See, it goes in pretty easily, and it doesn't come out unless I squeeze it. There we go. Yeah, it's a pretty ingenious idea. It's a pretty ingenious idea from Lucy. So yeah, let's see how we can put it back inside. We just squeeze it over here, and it should fit right in here. Yeah. Uh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, that's it. We also have a bigger size. So if you're one size or the other, you can just choose one or the other. And there you have it. The Lucy Cup.